Plan and Manage External Supply Sources section focuses on the strategic management of suppliers, procurement activities, and external partnerships that support organizational operations and customer fulfillment. Modern supply chains depend heavily on external suppliers for materials, services, logistics, and specialized capabilities. CIPM emphasizes that organizations must carefully manage supplier relationships to balance cost efficiency, quality, responsiveness, and supply continuity. External supply management also involves evaluating sourcing strategies, assessing risks, and coordinating procurement activities across global supply networks. Effective supplier management improves operational flexibility, reduces disruptions, and strengthens organizational competitiveness. This content area prepares professionals to manage increasingly complex supplier ecosystems while supporting broader business and supply chain objectives. Supplier selection is a foundational element of external supply management. CIPM teaches professionals how to evaluate sourcing alternatives based on operational needs, supply risks, and organizational strategy. Organizations may choose between sole sourcing, single sourcing, multi-sourcing, nearshoring, reshoring, offshore sourcing, or strategic partnerships depending on market conditions and business priorities. The curriculum highlights the importance of assessing supplier capabilities related to quality, technology, environmental impact, customer service, and lead time performance. Businesses must also evaluate risks associated with political instability, transportation disruptions, financial exposure, and regulatory requirements. Effective supplier selection strengthens operational reliability, supports sustainability goals, and enables organizations to maintain stable supply chains while adapting to changing economic and market conditions. Supplier relationship management, SRM, plays a critical role in maintaining effective collaboration with external partners. CIPM explains how organizations develop strategic relationships with suppliers through communication, performance monitoring, and coordinated planning activities. Procurement planning, engineering changes, and new product introductions require close supplier involvement to ensure successful implementation and operational continuity. The curriculum introduces supplier performance measurement tools such as balanced scorecards, cost metrics, quality metrics, delivery metrics, and environmental, social, and governance indicators. Organizations must also manage contractual obligations, inventory responsibilities, and information sharing requirements with suppliers. Effective SRM improves trust, transparency, responsiveness, and innovation while supporting long-term partnerships that contribute to operational excellence and organizational competitiveness. Procurement and purchasing activities are central to managing external supply sources. CIPM introduces multiple procurement methods, including purchase orders, contracts, blanket agreements, consignment inventory, outsourcing arrangements, vendor-managed inventory systems, and e-commerce platforms. Organizations must also determine appropriate replenishment and release methods such as pull systems, supplier scheduling, electronic data interchange, and continuous replenishment programs. Logistics coordination is equally important, requiring evaluation of transportation modes, third-party logistics providers, cross-docking strategies, and shipment consolidation techniques. Effective procurement and logistics management help organizations reduce costs, improve material flow, shorten lead times, and enhance customer service performance. These activities directly influence inventory availability, operational efficiency, and the organization's ability to respond to market demand effectively. Risk management and supply continuity are increasingly important within external supply management. Organizations face growing exposure to disruptions caused by geopolitical instability, transportation interruptions, cyber threats, environmental events, and supplier financial failures. CIPM emphasizes the importance of proactively monitoring supplier risks and implementing contingency strategies to maintain operational resilience. Businesses may utilize strategic buffers such as safety stock, alternate suppliers, and time allowances to reduce vulnerability. Analytics, simulation models, machine learning, and artificial intelligence tools help organizations evaluate trade-offs and identify potential risks before disruptions occur. By strengthening supplier risk management practices, organizations improve supply continuity, maintain customer service levels, and reduce the financial and operational impact of unexpected supply chain disruptions. Technology and collaboration are major enablers of modern external supply management processes. CIPM highlights the importance of utilizing information systems and digital communication tools to improve visibility, coordination, and decision-making across supply networks. Organizations increasingly rely on integrated enterprise systems, shared forecasting platforms, supplier portals, and data analytics to manage procurement and supplier performance. Collaborative planning activities enable suppliers and customers to align inventory levels, production schedules, and replenishment activities more effectively. Cultural awareness, communication skills, and global business understanding are also essential when working with international suppliers and partners. Technology-driven collaboration strengthens supply chain agility, improves operational transparency, and supports faster responses to changing customer and market requirements across global operations. Overall, the CIPM topic, Plan and Manage External Supply Sources, provides a comprehensive framework for managing supplier relationships, procurement processes, logistics coordination, and supply chain risks. Effective external supply management supports organizational goals by ensuring reliable material availability, controlling costs, improving quality, and strengthening operational flexibility. The curriculum integrates strategic sourcing, supplier collaboration, risk mitigation, and technology utilization into a unified approach for optimizing supply chain performance.